But whatever you resolve to do,
But whatever you resolve to do, mais peu importe ce que tu décides de faire,
I want you to commit to it.
I want you to commit to it. Je veux que tu t'y engages.
I want you to really work at it.
I want you to really work at it. Je veux que tu travailles vraiment sur ça.
I know that sometimes you get that sense from TV that you can be rich and successful without any hard work.
I know that sometimes you get that sense from TV. Je sais que parfois la télévision te donne l'impression that you can be rich and successful without any hard work. Que tu peux être riche et réussir sans travailler dur.
It's hard.
The truth is, being successful is hard. La vérité est que réussir est dur.